Kedamtang chitini phai tretroxi bhom kuruarni por phai ke thomalom arta kijum bange thom aro susumar fishery along Langteng dampen apran damjui labangso huni kepho lake minderson terang lapen bonti rohang pia supi kachiro banghini angelika terangpi lapen saronika terangpi arta ningkan sirkep lapen samuel songjateron alsupi adorsonia teronpi arta ningkan troxi putsaria rokputa nangthano labangso ke phowek nangkoke patumi bhom kuruarni rongaratum charstun lak lapen osomaratumta kaiketa charstun mer bonstami patumi abangke dunde detsi hemdoko laswapi anigang sampor phai ke thommalom phangok ongpura fishery along Langteng damputa inut banghini rongaratum nangthando labangso incident ke pholaki terang hempen banghini lapen teron hempen inut atumsi phopono labangso along angtonalam kachini ji aphan ape apua tumalong humri damno bonstami aningaduk kido amar lamthi nangninje dunderelo lasi putsari amekar mate ronga saratum kaninje alam thele arjuponsina donka mukampen humson beripor karbi daily news.
And regarding the incident, the local police officer IC sir also came to inspect the incident, and both the parents clearly defined that it was a total accidental, as they don't have any enmity with any other person, so they are convinced that it is unfortunate, so they don't want to file case to Thana. Twin sister, namely Angelica Terangpi and Saronika Terangpi, both are age around 9 years old, along with one of their neighbor. Her name is Adorsunai Teronpi. The three friends, as it was very hot yesterday, both of them went to bath one of their nearby pond, and it was very unfortunate.
Around what time?
Around 3:30 approximately. Then unfortunately they got drowned. The parents tried to search from 3 to 4 like that, but they could not trace anywhere. So in the end they came along the pond, and luckily they found dead body there. Now one of the baby was already floating, and two more are they found inside like that.
So when you found the body, there was no more life anymore?
There
Completely?
was no more life anymore, but as to satisfy the parents and their neighbor, their relative tried to take the 3 children to hospital, but
Which hospital?
to Neely Hospital. They tried to take Neely Hospital, but on the way, from on the way they came
Okay,
back.
they came back.
There is